I'm on a bit of a bug hunt this morning. I'm going to go down and see if I can capture and kill some Harlequin bug nymphs and adults if I can get them. And as they have a tendency to just drop when disturbed, I'm taking down a bucket of soapy water and I'm just making it with some pure soap, just in water. This should hopefully gunge up their breathing apparatus and knock them off pretty quickly. As we are basically an organic garden, we don't use pest sprays and all those horrible things to kill animals. We rely on a lot of friendly predators as well. But this infestation's really large, so we'll just do this and see what we can do. Well, I can see that the Harlequin beetles are sheltering under the leaves of this silver beet. In fact, I'm going to move it because I can just spot it. A really large cluster of them. Probably can't see these. There they are, hiding under the leaves. So I'm just going to have to put the camera down for a tick and see if I can knock these into the water. Dropping in infestation, there would be, I don't know, close to 100 bugs that I'm knocking off. I haven't got them all by any stretch of the imagination, but I have got quite a few. Well, it's been fairly successful, I would say. Oh, there's still, honestly, there's so many of them. I mean, obviously I'm not going to get all of them. And some of them, indeed, seem to be swimming around in there, so I'm not quite sure what's going to kill them if the soapy water isn't. It certainly seems to be trapping them, and I am definitely shooing in as many as I can, and they're just hiding all up and down. Yep, you mate, you can go in there too, in the water. There's a few on the ground, I can see them hiding. They're really hard to capture. So, sorry if this offends people, but desperately trying to look after my plants. And you can go in too. So this is both adults and nymphs that are going in. Oops, you're a good guy, I think. So, death in the morning, unfortunately, for those bugs. That wasn't my favourite gardening experience of this year. I was shocked at how many Harlequin bugs there were. I thought when I first saw it that there was 10 or 15, and I think in the end there was over or close to at least 100 bugs, both nymphs and adults of the Harlequin beetles, that I knocked off that one plant. No wonder the tomatoes have taken a hammering this year.